Everyone is obsessing over the new Wish class staterooms, and rightfully so. But are they missing out on the classic ships like the Disney Magic? We recently sailed on board, and honestly, these staterooms on the Disney Magic were incredible. Step inside with us for a tour so you can judge for yourself. Let's dive in. Walking in, we are room 8514. You have your little fish there. We haven't decorated our door yet. I want to show you guys the tour right away. So here is the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in, on your right, you have to step up. So make note, you need to step up, and here's your door. It's like literally right here. So you step up into the bathroom, and here you have a mirror. You guys can see this is the hair dryer. You can tell this is Disney's oldest ship with the, with the style of hair dryer there. You got a little shelf over here. We've got the sink, you've got your soap here, you've got a little bit of counter space there. Over here you have your toilet paper, your tissues. Down here you have your wastebasket, an extra towel. You have toilet paper, you have personal disposal bags, you have your sharps crate over there. Then up here you have extra shelving. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves here. Here is your toilet. I'm guessing that is a toilet brush. It's a tight squeeze in this one, you guys. Then back here you have your Disney Cruise Line towels, and then you have a hook on the back of the door if you need that. So this is a bit of a tight squeeze in here, but this is bathroom number 1, because for the rooms that are verandas, they do have a split bathroom. So here is the first bathroom here. Then see, it says caution, watch your step, because same thing over here. And now here are the light switches, by the way, because again, this is the Magic and the oldest ship. They don't have the thing where you have to put your card in. So over here, you have your second bathroom. This one feels a little bit bigger. So you have a tub in here, and here is your shower head up there. You've got your Disney soaps over here. You've got your body wash, your conditioner, your shampoo. Over here you have a little towel rack. Over here you have a handle if you need that, and a soap dispenser there. And then just to give you guys an idea, because this does look pretty low, I feel like, is Johnny gonna fit in here? Hang on, let me swing you guys around. All right, so I'm 5'6", like 5'6" on the nose, and I feel like I am like barely clearing this thing. So if you are a taller person like my husband, he is 6'2", and Johnny's gonna have a tough time in here. So for you taller folks out there, you may have a tough time in the shower here. But fortunately, this does come off, so you can use the holder for that. You have your little thing here, this comes out, and it connects over here if you want to hang your bathing suits. I actually have something that will work perfect on here. It's a little, like it Velcros on, and then it has like little hooks on it. So that's actually gonna work out really well for in here. And then over here you have your Disney Cruise Line towel mat. Down here you've got your wastebasket, a little bit of extra shelf space there. You've got tissues over here, and here is your second sink. You have an outlet over here, which this is kind of unique. I'm not sure what that is. I guess it has the double prong, but I guess you couldn't put, you know, if you had your own hair tools, you couldn't use them here. Over here you have body lotion, you have the makeup washcloth, and I always wondered, I'm like, why is it a makeup washcloth? I guess because it's black, because then it hides like the stains from the makeup, because that's what happens when I take my makeup off. You've got some extra washcloths over here. You've got your Disney bath soap over here. And then over here you have your other towel rack and a squeaky door. So over here you have 2 towel racks, and you've got the 4 towels here. You also have a hook on this side, and then here we have Ariel, and she's asking us to be a friend to the earth and oceans to conserve water. So meaning if you want to use your towels more than once, that you can do that. Hey guys. So then coming out of the bathroom, don't forget you have to step down. Oh, one thing I just wanted to show you. So here you do have a curtain for your, like a shower curtain for your shower. They do have the nautical Mickeys on there. Sorry, it's like casting a shadow. So here you've got your nautical Mickeys over there. And then how about this? It's got a nautical rope to tie the shower back. So here is the other bathroom. Again, hi. In here, and I'm going to swing you backwards. So over here is the door where we just came in, and then here is the closet. Now I can't open the other side because we have 2 strollers. So in here we have the double stroller. You've got a bunch of hangers in there. You've got your life vest up top over there. This is actually where the ladder hangs if you have the bunk bed. We moved it over here so that we could fit the single stroller. And then over here you've got a laundry bag. Let me grab them. We have our water bottles here, but you do have a laundry bag. So if you wanted to use their laundry service where like you wouldn't have to do it, they do it for you, you can do that. That is the laundry bag. And then it comes with this laundry service sheet here. So it just basically tells you the different options that you can do. If you wanted to have something laundered or pressed, you could do that. It lets you know the cost and if you want to give special instructions. So you can find that in here. You can also find the bed rail if you have a little one who needs a bed rail. Then down here, we've got the safe, and then we've got a few more shelves here. And again, this does shut. We just cannot shut it because we want to keep the strollers out of the way and we don't really need the closet for anything else. Coming over here, you've got Mr. and Mrs. Walt Disney on Deck 1934 holding a Mickey Mouse. I love that piece of artwork. Then because we are Castaway Club members, we did get the Castaway Club tote. This is our second one. Then also in here, you have the lanyards. We have a bunch of these. I may just leave these behind because we don't use lanyards and we just don't need them. So we'll see, these may not come home with us. And then over here, you've got another shelf. You've got your glasses with the little Mickey holders. Actually, is this just to cover them? What is this for, guys? Let me know in the comments down below because I don't know. Oh, Johnny says yes. It's to cover them. Okay, I guess to keep the dust out. Or to keep the dust out. Johnny says to keep the dust out. There you go. So bless you, Johnny. So here's just another little shelf and storage area. You've got a bunch of drawers over here. Oh, so this one is like a single. Oh, how about that? And then is this one big one? Nope, another single, and then another, I guess, double at the bottom there. So then over here, this is actually pretty neat that they have this little bench seat here. I'm hoping that we utilize it as a bench seat and not a place to put our bags. We'll see. They've got another little storage space over here. I just feel like it would be nice to have a seat over here. Then coming this way, over here you have your recycling and another waste basket. You have a hook on the wall, which we are utilizing. One thing to note, these walls are not magnetic. They are on other cruise ships. They're not on this one. Then here you have a full-length mirror. So hello again when you're getting ready. On the other cruise ships, I believe they are on the door. So you open the door, like the bathroom door, and it's usually over there. At least I think that's how it was on the Wish and the Dream, I think. Then over here, I think this is your thermostat. That's what I would guess. You've got a lamp over here. It looks like you can see the different parks, where the different parks are. I think that's what it's supposed to be. A map of where the Disney parks are. You've got a Disney cruise ship over there. And then down here, you've got a light. You've got a little shelf here. You've got a little nightstand here with a little drawer. And then I guess this is the light. However, they don't have the outlets that Johnny and I need. These are just regular traditional outlets. We need the 3-prong ones. I heard that on the Magic that there was limited outlets, so we'll have to keep going and see. Over here you have your queen size bed. You've got your blanket that comes with it. So you've got Mickey Mouse over here. And then on this side, you have the same thing as the other side. You've got a light, you've got your phone over here. We've got just a 2-prong outlet. So this is going to pose a bit of a problem. I guess we won't use our phones as much because we don't have the internet. You've got a little drawer here, another shelf here, the light for these little lamps over here. And I love the little Mickey detail here as well. Then coming over here, we have a curtain. So when our children are asleep at night, we can pull this curtain open over here and sort of create 2 rooms. Over here we've got Second Star to the right, and like the music for it, and straight on till morning. And then up here you do have the bunk bed. We're not sure if we're using the bunk bed yet because we also have a Murphy bed. I'll get to that. You have a couch over here, which my kids are occupying. This does turn into a bed. This will pull down into a bed. So coming along over here, we still use a pack and play. My 2-year-old, he just turned 2. He still uses a pack and play. So we'll probably move the pack and play over here, which also you have a little table over here with the remote. So coming over here, you have the pack and play, and here's the Murphy bed. I think what we'll probably do is open the Murphy bed and, like I said, move the crib over here, and then we'll just probably tuck this like somewhere else. And then over here, again, here's the pack and play. You've got your veranda. So out here, You can see the balcony. We can see Disney Cruise Line over there, the port. So it does have 2 locks. So it actually was not locked. So make sure when you come in, especially if you have kids, to check out and make sure both locks are locked. So you have a lock there and you have a lock here. Out here we have a chair on this side. We've got a little table, then another chair. And it's actually really cool. This is where the buses pull in. So we can see, like, this is where you pull up and it says Disney Cruise Line over there, which is a nice view while we're in this port. And you can see the water over here as well. These curtains do draw, so you can pull them closed and create more of a dark space. Then over here, oh, we've got Pirates of the Caribbean. So we've got some nice pirate artwork over here. And then this, we have a shelf here, which we're storing our bags on. You've got these drawers here. You've got this drawer. You've got this one here. Wow, they pull quite easily, and then this one over here, and then it mirrors on the other side. Same thing, double shelf, drawer, and drawer. So lots of storage space if you're someone who likes to put your luggage away. We do not do that, so that doesn't really impact us. Then over here at the desk, you've got more storage. I feel like there's lots of storage, just we don't use this storage. And then over here, you've got your standard things you get with Disney Cruise Line. So we've got 2 of them. So this is your little continental breakfast menu here. So you've got Disney Cruise Line, good morning. You put your room number there, your name, and the number of people. My little guy is taking the postcard. I'll show it to you guys in a second. So here you put your room number again, your name. Start your day off right with our breakfast pre-order. Make that your breakfast selections tonight, then hang it outside on the doorknob before 3 a.m. And then you can select your time of delivery. You can select what kind of continental breakfast you would like. Please indicate quantity in the box next to each item. So don't just check it, put the actual number. So you can see you've got different juices, breads and pastries, condiments, cold cereals. You can put what kind of milk you would like, well, whole skim or low fat, and then beverages over here. So different types of milk, including chocolate milk. You can get coffee or decaf. You can get different kinds of teas as well as hot chocolate. So then also in here you have a postcard. My little guy took one of them. So here is one of the postcards that you can get. We may send one out to my dad. My dad was like, send me a postcard, even though you can text me. And I was like, all right, Dad, maybe we'll send you a postcard. So we'll see if we can send Pop a postcard. So you've got this one with the cruise ship here, and you've got the Mickey cloud in the sky. And then over here you also have your classic Disney Cruise Line pin, if it will focus. It does not want to focus. Come on, Disney Cruise Line pin. Here, let's put it down on the desk. So here's your Disney Cruise Line pin. There we go. That you get as well. Johnny loves to collect these. This is a lot of the pens that we use. So you have your Disney Cruise Line pen, the drawer shut on me. And then here you have a letter here, or this is the envelope for the letter. So it says Disney Cruise Line on it. It's just plain on the front. And then you also have a little Disney Cruise Line letterhead there that you can send out. And then here, I don't know what this is. I guess it's some kind of guide to, okay, well, here's your guide to all this kind of stuff. I won't get into it, but we've got United States Embassy information, so that's there. So then, like I said, there's another postcard with Mickey and Minnie. Then over here, you've got more drawers. In here, you have another hair dryer. And then here you have tips for traveling with, I guess, different kinds of batteries and things in here. This is for if you have any kind of curling iron or hair straightener. You can use that to lay it on the desk. Down here, you've got another drawer. Oh, it's 3 little drawers. 3 little drawers over here. And then here is your desk. So they also have an ottoman over here that you can sit on. Oh, I tried to pull it. I can't pull it with one hand, guys, but there's an ottoman if you want to sit here and get ready. My family is watching Mickey cartoons. You've got some lights over here that do have the little Disney touch there. And again, this is where you can sit and work, or you can, write your postcards, or you can do your makeup, which is probably what I'm going to do because I don't really think I could do it in the bathroom. We'll see. So over here, are these the only outlets, Johnny? These are like the only outlets. These are the only outlets we could find, guys, which is, oh my goodness. So I did see someone, I forgot who I saw it, watched a vlog. Oh, you have 2 USBs, but I mean, Johnny has the brick there, so I'd probably put that over here so we could utilize. You've got a traditional outlet here, the 3-prong. You've got another 3-prong here. You've got 2 USBs here. The tip I was going to say is some people talk about bringing a European outlet, which I do have an adapter somewhere from many years ago when I went to Europe. I've been to Europe in a long, long time. Been there a few times, but not a long time. So anyway, I digress. So you can bring some kind of adapter to utilize an extra outlet, but I did not do that. So my bad. Looks like, oh, this is how we turn the lights on? Is this like a, oh, I did that. Oh my goodness, trying to figure out these lights. Okay, so we'll turn that off and that on. There we go. So So this looks like really the only outlet station. So I'm gonna say make sure you have a lot of different charger things, because this looks like it may be. I don't even think I saw anything in the bathroom, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Then back down here, you've got, oh, is it an actual fridge and not a beverage cooler? We might actually have a refrigerator. Okay, so this looks like it's an actual mini fridge. It is very mini. It is not very deep, but you're on a cruise, so there's probably not much you really need to keep cool in there, except maybe some bottled water like we have. And then over here, you've got your TV. I believe the TV, whoops, can move. Okay, so if we want to watch it in bed, or the kids want to watch it over here, you can do that. And you've got another cabinet here with some storage. So that about wraps up the tour. We've got another curtain on here. As I said, when you want to have some separation, put the kids over there and then put the curtain up, you can do that. And then right over here, we do have another mirror. So you have this mirror as well, which I actually really like. I like this mirror. I feel like on the other ships, they don't have that. So I'm actually enjoying that. So that's gonna do it for this tour. Johnny also just pointed out that probably like, well, let's swing you around. Right over here behind me, there would normally be an adjoining door. Our last cruise, we did have adjoining doors with my sister. And on our cruise on the Wish, we also had an adjoining door, but we didn't utilize it because we didn't go with anyone besides our own family. So that is something interesting to point out. But I would say the outlets are definitely a factor. Make sure you bring enough, what's the word, adapters that will allow you to charge multiple things, because you will need it. So here's what the curtains look like when they are drawn. The kids are playing. I said, go ahead, you can open them so mommy can show you. So here's what they look like when they are open. So you really do sort of get some privacy here, which is nice. Now, if you're curious what the rooms look like on the Disney Destiny, then watch this video next where I share a full tour of what a 5-person veranda room looks like on the Disney Destiny. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave me a little ship emoji in the comments down below. And hey, while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.